Hi guys, welcome back to the Sarah's Report. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did these Crochet Butterfly Locs using Toyotress hair. So first I'm just showing you a little demonstration of how I did the invisible braid pattern. I'm first taking this eben, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, edge control, and I'm just going to smooth out any adult and baby hairs. And then I'm going to make that first box or section, smooth that out, and then you're going to want to do a regular 3-strand braid. And for those of you who don't know, this braiding pattern just helps it so if you pull your hair back, you won't be able to necessarily tell that it's crochet. It's going to look like you just did individual braids. Okay, so you're going to want to just braid that a little bit. Don't braid all the way down, and then make your next section, and then you're going to split this section into 2 and use the first braid as the 3rd section and continue braiding. Then do that same process on the next box, so split it in 2, use the 2nd braid as the 3rd section. So in total I did about 10 rows, about 4 braids back just to about the middle of my head, and then I also did perimeter braids as well, so in case I pull it up you wouldn't be able to tell that it was crochet as much. And then the remainder of my hair I just did side to side braids, and then I can crochet the loose ends up into that side to side braid pattern. Here I'm just showing you how the hair came packaged. It comes with 8 packs of about 10 strands, and it also came with a crochet latch hook, which was really nice. And if you have Amazon Prime, this will come in 2 days, which is really nice. So yes, here is the strand. This is what it looks like. And I'm just demonstrating how you're going to just put the latch hook through the little hole, that's pre-made hole, and then crochet as you normally would. Now I'm going to show you how to insert it. So you're going to want to put the hook through your hair, latch it onto the little hole, and then pull it through. And then you can either put the end through or you can hook the end through like I did, and then just pull it through. And that's it. It's super duper simple. And it was a little hard to get it past the little distress bumps, but you just have to pull it a little bit harder and you get the hang of it. And just make sure you pull all the way past that little hump at the top so you can have a smooth bit. And then yeah, that's it. So now I'm just going to let you guys watch me do the rest. This was a super quick process. I think in total it took me maybe an hour and a half to install my entire head of the crochets, which is just insane. So yes, this is a really quick process, and I think all in all, so it comes with 8 packs of about 10 pieces. I used about 7.5 of the packs, so I still have a couple left, and if I see any like spaces in the back, I will go back in and fill those in with those remaining few pieces. But for the most part, it was just the right amount of hair. It is kind of heavy, but the hair, it looks so beautiful, and the locks are really smooth and neat. You don't have to worry about them being messy or anything like that. Super simple, no wrapping. So yeah, it's that simple. I'm just gonna let it play while you guys see the rest of the process. So this is what it looked like once I finished installing all of the crochet pieces. And I think I forgot to mention, this is the Toyotress's 16-inch crochet butterfly locks. So it comes to about a little bit past armpit length on me. So if you want like a long bob kind of look, then this is definitely the length to go. Alright, and you know I had to come back with some makeup for the final look, so this is what we are working with. They look beautiful and so natural. It honestly looks like I did individual locks. And you can see in the back, you can't see any gaps or anything like that. There is enough hair to fill those up. And once I pull it up, you honestly can't really even tell that they're crochets either, unless you're really checking for me, which in that case, back up, please. But yes, here's what they look like. I just want to say thank you to Toyotress for sponsoring this video. And I'm going to leave all the links and everything down below for you guys to check out if you would like. But yeah, I'm feeling myself, so I'm going to just go ahead and exit. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.